Jump backwards. Do the jump backwards. That's a dance for Mario. You better know I'm going for the top of the dome, prancing for show. Cause I knee you in the face like a mortar foe. I don't really give a crap, no I don't. Going up at the top of the dome, I do. That's what I do, I don't ride two, fool. It's 1-2, fool. Woo! Oh yeah, I got the fire flowers, got that saliva. Yeah, buddy. I got that saliva. Saliva. Not saliva, but that saliva.
Ain't that the same thing?
No, Mario, it's not the same thing. Woo! It's gonna just break everything, get points. See, it gets 50 points every time you break a brick. It's worth it. Of course, I can't get that life. I don't know why I did that, but anyway. Woo! Yeah, I'm excited! Ah, crap! Okay, I got it. Watch. Just watch. Woohoo! Mario is excited! It's me, Mario! It's me, Mario! It's me, Mario! Yeah! So, but hey, Mario, you gotta get sobered up, man. Stay sober, man. You think you're spitting fire when you're really not? You're just hallucinating, man. Oh! There you go. He's sobered up. He's back to his normal height. Right? So why do they have shrooms in this? Why are they red and polka dotted? And there's green ones that give you 1-ups. So what? Please explain that, Nintendo. What were you on while making this? Huh? Please tell me. Because I do not want to be going to heck. See? Oh! Whoa! Oops. I'm not jumping randomly. Come on. Whee! Jack and the Beanstalk. Yeah, they talk about me all the time. Say I'm Jack. I'm not Jacqueline, okay? So don't call me that again. Because I'll smack your friends if they come at me in a gang. And I don't give a crap if you can hang with me with a boxing ring. And I'm going to knock you, see? Ah, yeah, coming off of the top. Yeah, Spencer's good at that. Wow. Good job, Spencer. I'm getting the coins for you. We're going to go to the store. And we're going to buy some mushrooms, some green ones. I'm going to give, they're $100 each. $100 each. 100 coins. So we'll go to the store. We'll get some more. See, I'm collecting all these because freaking retarded turtles just left them. I don't even know how they got down there, but people flush them down the toilet or something. Okay, well, the pipes are so big, it doesn't even matter what goes in them nowadays. Ah! I just fell down the pit! Help me up! No, I will not. Watch out for the piranha. Yeah! Ho ho! What's up, dude? And I got fireworks, bro. Just for you, Mario. Yeah. Just for you, Mario. To me, Mario. To me, Mario. I'm dodging you. Oh! To me, Mario. And I'm dodging you. Spencer's coming off at the top of the dome. And it's not going to happen in home. He's not going to get into my home. And he's not going to stomp on you. Oh, that's very good, Spencer. Yeah. I need some mushrooms to keep me going. Yeah, it's me, Mario. Me, Mario. Wah, ha, ha, ha. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Crap! Almost got it! Oh. Spence on you! It's me, Mario! Do not be angered! You are going to get the mushrooms and that will be very, very powerful! Powerful! Yeah! You got to stomp him! Do not let him get on you! What I say? Okay, I'm sorry, Mario. Sorry. Stop talking, just focus. Oh! Man, I just think they're gonna jump over me, but oh well.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's up? Oh man, it's really good with my food. It's really good. Did you understood?
Then I want.
All right, I'm done. You know,
I got to go now.
just kidding. All right, yo. I'm done. Next thing I'm gonna do
Is this? Yeah. Well, do it anyway. Yeah.
the light.
Well, what is it? Yeah. What? Okay. Uh, 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 uh.
Okay, anyway. I gotta go. Sucking in too much air and it's getting stuck in my stomach and it hurts.
What is happening next? I don't know.
And yeah. So anyway. I got this scar on my face. I don't know what I'm gonna have. Legs. I don't know what that happened, man. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay. Talk to you guys later. I'll see you next video. I look like I'm unshaved. I gotta start looking shaved. It's me, Mario, signing off.